In today's video, I will walk you through how to send money internationally on PayPal. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To begin, open PayPal by visiting the official PayPal website and signing into your account. Once you are logged in, you'll be able to access all of the money transfer features directly from your dashboard. For this tutorial, we'll be using the Wallet section along with the Send and Request feature inside PayPal. After signing in, head to the Wallet area. On the right side of the page, you'll notice a list of currencies connected to your account. Before sending money internationally, it's a good idea to add the currency you plan to send to the recipient. This helps you manage the conversion more clearly and lets you review the exchange rate before completing the transfer. Select the option to add a currency, then choose the currency you want to use. For example, if you're sending money to someone in Thailand, you can choose Thai baht from the list and add it to your account. Once the currency has been added, return to the Home section and open the Send and Request area. Next, enter the PayPal details for the person you want to send money to. You can search using their name, username, email address, or phone number connected to their PayPal account. When the correct contact appears, select them to continue. You'll now see the Payment section where you can choose the currencies involved in the transfer. The first currency should be set to your local currency, which is the currency you'll be paying with. Then change the recipient currency to the one you want the other person to receive. After that, enter the amount you want to send. PayPal will automatically convert the payment into the recipient's currency, so you can immediately see the estimated amount they'll receive after conversion. If you need the recipient to receive an exact amount in their currency, you can edit that converted value directly. PayPal will then recalculate how much you need to pay in your own currency. This is useful for invoices, fixed payments, or situations where the exact amount matters. Once everything looks correct, continue by selecting Send. Before the transfer can be completed, make sure your PayPal account has a payment method linked to it. This can be a bank account, debit card, or credit card, depending on what you prefer to use for the payment. After confirming the payment method, you'll be able to complete the international transfer directly through PayPal. Thank you for watching.